Today, I'd like to provide a tip to reduce some anxiety. I don't know if you've seen your own friends, people on social media talking about how much anxiety they've had moving into the fall. And now we've had a great weather change, but maybe it's just the what are we going to do, and there's still so much uncertainty. And I have an alternative idea of where this comes from. There's a verse, Paul's letter to the church at Ephesus, where he said that certain people who are just always like children are tossed to and fro by every wind of doctrine, by the sleight of men and cunning craftiness whereby they lie in wait to deceive. And there are so many winds of doctrine anymore, especially if we're on social media, that I don't think it helps our anxiety level. And so I don't know, because look, it's not like anxiety bad. No, I think what it is when you're feeling anxious, it's just not that feeling of inner joy and integratedness, what we call integrity. But you know that feeling when you feel whole, right? That's the goal, to feel whole. So if you were traveling out near Newfoundland, Labrador, there's a place called Iceburg Alley. And the fishermen who initially look into, spotted this area where the icebergs would flow through for years, right, before even, highly technologically advanced boats and ships. They would notice that although they were bucking, these fishermen were bucking a huge headwind, that the iceberg was traveling the opposite direction, that its size and its mass underneath, its substance, allowed it to go in the direction it wanted to without all the winds above it altering its course, its purpose, where it was headed. And so, by way of an iceberg example, I'm going to give you one strategy that I've had to do because, again, this affects everyone. There are just so many differing voices. Sorry, waving. It's bike ride day. Ta-da! Okay, it's bike ride lunch. But there's so many differing voices out there and winds of doctrine. And one day it's this, and the other day it's this, and what will it be next? And I'm going to say you need to reconnect with whatever the current is underneath you, to where your substance is, whatever it is that drives you. And no one can choose that for you, and no one should do that for you. That's you. Here's where to do it. I'm going to say take a bathroom break. Now, and I say this because very often the only quiet place we have, being socially distant, even in our own homes, is to walk into a bathroom and lock the door. But I'm going to also suggest you turn on the fan or put in some earbuds, do something to block the exterior sound, and you just take whatever book. I wouldn't take anything electronic, but whatever book, whatever quote, if you had it printed out the night before, whatever it is that speaks to your soul, to your substance, to the mass of you below the surface, and start getting back in touch with that, quell that anxiety. And I think it'll help you not just reduce the anxiety, but get you back on course, moving in the direction you want to go and not be distracted or pushed off course by all these other exterior winds of doctrine. All right, so for that, hope it helped you. It helped me, and yeah, I need to get in better shape. All right, it's Tiger Todd for Hero School and Heroes Inc. saying, we believe in heroes, and we believe in you. Hey Hero, Tiger Todd here for Hero School, and I'm just so grateful you had a chance to watch this latest video. Make sure you click subscribe so you're always getting the latest videos from Hero School and Heroes Inc. automatically. And we'd love to see your comments below and some insight that you might have. What is it Emerson said? Everyone's my superior in some way, in that I learn from him or her. And we'd love to hear your insight, what you've read, and your view of the world. So, see you soon, and remember, we believe in heroes, we believe in you.